In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up and use the Click Between Frames mod for Geometry Dash. To get started, you first need to have the Geode mod loader installed on your computer. Once you open Geometry Dash, go ahead and navigate to the Geode menu on the main screen. Type Click Between Frames into the search bar and click the Install button. After the installation is finished, you will want to restart your game for the changes to take effect. Now let us dive into the settings. Click the gear icon next to the mod name to open the configuration panel. You will see several options, but the most important one is the input buffer setting. For most players, leaving this at the default value is perfectly fine as it provides the most responsive experience. This mod works by decoupling your mouse clicks from the visual frames of the game. This means that if you click halfway between two frames, your icon in the game will jump at that exact subframe interval rather than waiting for the next frame to render. Now go out there and enjoy a smoother experience.